Okay, friends, now that we made our gingerbread person, we're going to glue our gingerbread person onto our blue construction paper. So I'm putting glue on the back of my gingerbread person, and I'm going to glue it right on my blue construction paper. Then I have a sheet that says, to build my gingerbread person, I used. So I'm going to also put glue on that. I'm going to glue that right on my blue paper as well. And now you're going to think about all the shapes that you use. So our writing again says, to build my gingerbread person, I used blank circles, blank squares, blank triangles, and blank rectangles. So on mine, I would write that I used one circle, so straight line down, then you're done. That's how you make the number 1. I used one square, so again, straight line down, then you're done. That's how you make the number 1. I used 2 triangles, so around and back across the railroad track. 2, 2, 2. And I used 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles, so down, across, and down some more. That's how you make the number 4. Okay, friends, you're going to go through and count and fill in how many shapes you used. I will see you back here for writing time.